January, sick and tired, you've been hanging on me. You make me sad with your eyes, you're telling me lies. Don't go, don't go, January. Don't be cold, don't be angry to me. You make me sad, come and see in January. Don't go, don't go. Life gets me higher, higher. I can show, I can go, I can wake up the world. Gotta show you, gotta show you. Sun like a fire, fire. Carry on, don't be gone, bring me out of my home. Pretty home. Don't you know me? Gotta show me. You've been chasing the world, January. Sick and tired, you've been hanging on me. You make me sad with your eyes, you're telling me lies. Don't go, don't go, January. Don't be cold, don't be angry to me. You make me sad, come and see, oh January. Don't go, don't go. Time is a flyer, flyer. Sunny day, fly away, the summers are gone. You're gone. Gotta go up, gotta go up. Sun like a fire, fire. Carry on, don't be gone, bring me out of my home. Please home. Don't you know me? Gotta show me. You've been facing the world, you've been chasing the world, January. Sick and tired, you've been hanging on me. You make me sad with your eyes, you tell me lies. Don't go, 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 January. Don't be cold, don't be angry with me. You make me sad, come and see your January. Don't go, don't go. Close. Well, hi there, pluckers. Hypersaw Fingers back with you again with hopefully another, what will be an interesting lesson. This is my preview for a great song from a band called Pilot, all the way back to 1975, and a song called January. Okay, so there you heard my take on it for a single acoustic guitar, a bit rough around the edges, but you get the idea. And if you like that and would like to see what I did, we did it in standard tuning, no cowpost as you can see. We're doing it the way I'm doing it in the key of G to make the chords a little bit easier. It's originally in the key of F, okay, the recorded version by Pilot, but I've done it in the key of G to make the chords somewhat simpler for everybody. Okay, so hopefully if you're interested, join me in a couple of days for the breakdown of this classic song. Bye for now.